And BC actually came with the highway.
My Obaratuna is right behind me.
I don't know why will you carry Dibia and come?
Yes.
Okay, let's just try. My spanner, I'm not gonna. Spanner, lay your back.
Okay.
So, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, game start. Hey. Gang. It's hot, oh. I want you to know that it is hot. Very hot. And that is the game. It needs to be hot. And, hot and big. Hurry up, Spanner. Easy. But I can do it.
Easy life, you can do it.
But I enter another one. Come on. I was thinking, yeah, Spanner, come on. You can do it. Second one.
Easy life, no fuck up, bro.
Second one. It's hot. Eat the hotter. Please don't block my camera with your video. Keep it on the floor.
Easy.
Spanner.
Easy. No.
In the block.
Come the block. I beg. Make it the hot team. That's the game. Make it hot team. That's the game. Yes, that's the game. No mini metoaka. Let it hot you. That's the game. You easy need to block the Spanner. On three.
Easy.
Come on, Spanner.
Easy. Come on.
Spanner, come on. 7 fufu. You can do it. You've been doing like 11 or 12.
Pick up.
Pick up, really. You think they're hotter? You think they're hot where?
Atasinayeze.
Because give your English, please.
Keep quiet.
Spanner, come on! Enter another one. How can Easy win you, Spanner? How can Easy win you? Who is Easy?
He's hot.
I know he's hot. You can do it. You can do it.
Easy.
Leave her. We dey see am. See your people there and they down. Think about chopper. Don't worry. We dey see am. Hey, Spanner. You want to challenge Spanner? Do you know who is Spanner? Spanner is a chopper.
Now the thing I need to come to the
Easy, come on, easy.
You can use your bottle water if you want. You can use your bottle water if you want. That's the only water you can use. You cannot drop any water here. Spanner! Come on!
Hurry up, use your bottle water now.
Come on, Spanner! You can do it.
Let's go.
Hey! Spanner, remaining 3. Come on!
Take it easy,
You can do it.
Spanner, take it easy.
Spanner, murder it! Murder that boy! Murder the boy!
Easy life, come on now. I will bite you, hurry up. Easy.
Obiako.
Matagalo, take time more. Lower your voice. Easy.
Hey, Spanner, remaining 2. Hey, I know this guy. I know him.
He's
waiting in the car. Wait, Doctor, you should say this guy is a human being. You should say a human being be this.
Oh.
Spanner, remaining 2 on the train.
Easy, come on. My juju they walk now. How come? My juju now they walk again.
I hear walk fire.
Oh.
Ew.
Easy. Easy, lap one, no, I got in the lap one, no, when you can have a free time. What's your problem?
Spanner on the one. Spanner.
Easy. I'm going to lap one and try to get money. I'm go down first.
Nyaka about spanner.
Spanner. Which one be
Good at the another.
Which one be
You don't get person the week.
Which one? It can say you. Which one be Spanner, have a hurry up. Spanner.
Onye wan ko we bia. Dibia na me carry you come.
Spanner remaining one.
Spanner remaining one. Yes. Spanner remaining one. I thought my juju, I know, you know.
I beg your juju no dey work for Spanner. See where your juju dey work.
No, now here where my juju they walk.
Na you sabi.
Now me sabi.
When they win, I go hear am.
That your negative juju.
You go ask her.
Hey, seven fufu. Spanner, you are not a human being. You are not an human being. You are an animal.
More than an animal.
Animal, okay? That is what you are. Oh my God.
How about wild animal? Block a domestic animal. You give me more fear.
Hey!
Spanner!
May no choke you.
No die here. Easy.
No die here.
Easy.
Are you okay?
Easy.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Are you okay?
You okay?
Are you sure?
Okay.
Are you giving up?
Don't give up.
Are you giving up? Is if you choking, it's hot. Okay.
So, Spanner.
Drink water here.
Drink water.
It's choking you quit though. It's choking you quit though.
Spanner, don't give up.
No, don't give up.
Wait, mine is mine.
This is don't give up.
Very old. Give up.